Hey, what's up everybody? It's Dr. Brian here, and it's a beautiful Saturday afternoon. And today we are in the midst of making some bone broth. So I think it's one of the best superfoods around, especially, if you're trying to heal your gut, if you have damaged tendons or ligaments, it's bone broth is a perfect supplement for providing you the minerals and vitamins that you might not be getting in your normal foods. And so today we're going to be making some. I'm going to create a video on how we do it really simply and cheaply at home. And yeah, I'm just on my ride I just picked up the bones and I'm on my way home. And I thought I'd give you a few ideas as to why bone broth is, I think, so beneficial for you. If you just think about the nutrients from a healthy animal, the bones and the ligaments and the tendons that you get you get all that stuff in the soup itself. The minerals, magnesium and calcium, phosphorus, and then the collagen. Our bodies are made up a lot of collagen, and when you make a bone broth, you get all of that collagen from the healthy animal into you and into yourself. And it's pretty interesting that when you cook the collagen in the bone broth, that it actually it goes from collagen to a gelatin. If you're interested in chemistry, the hydrolysis of the collagen turns it into gelatin. And gelatin is really made up of these 4 amino acids that a lot of us especially bodybuilders might be familiar with, like proline, arginine. Some of these amino acids are really beneficial for your skin because, we produce collagen in our bodies up until the age of about 40, and then we stop producing them. And that's why, we start to get wrinkles and our skin starts to dry out, is because we're not producing that collagen anymore. And so if you want healthy skin, having a regular bone broth is a really important or a really great way to provide your body with especially to provide your skin with those amino acids. So yeah, we'll talk more about the importance of that. But the first step to making a healthy bone broth is to get healthy bones. You want to make sure that you're getting grass-fed bones from animals that haven't been susceptible to all of the nasty stuff, the pesticides and hormones and the heavy metals. You don't want to be drinking the broth of bones from unhealthy animals. So make sure you talk to your butcher, ask them questions, make sure that you know where the animals came from. If they're a reputable, great butcher, they'll talk to you and tell you all that stuff. But yeah, we'll talk more about that soon. I'll be putting together a video. We'll be recording this all today, and I'll put it all together and share it with you guys in about 36 hours. I think it'll take to cook. So I'll show you all the steps that we take, how easy it is, and and how good it is, how good it tastes, and how good it is for you. So I'm excited to share this with you guys. It should be fun. Any questions, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy this day. See ya.